Sell your used IT equipment with B2B Exports LLC. Is your office cluttered with outdated IT equipment? Don't let it go to waste. Turn your surplus IT assets into cash with B2B Exports LLC's IT Equipment Buyback Program. We offer top dollar for your functional used IT equipment, hardware, and networking gear. Enjoy hassle-free service with on-site quotes, free pickup, and secure data destruction. We serve businesses throughout the Bay Area, specializing in IT networking devices, computers, telecom equipment, and more. The process is simple. Submit inventory. Send us a detailed list of your equipment, including brand, model, quantity, and condition. Receive offer. We provide a competitive purchase order price. Get paid. Receive payment promptly along with all necessary documentation. Scheduled pickup. Our team collects and transports your equipment at a convenient time. Maximize the value of your IT assets and free up your workspace with B2B Exports LLC. Contact us today and turn your used IT equipment into cash.